Hi everyone, here we've got Honor Play 7 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome. So let's tap on it and now let's choose this three dots icon. Now let's tap on the history. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously visited websites. If you want to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. If you want to clear much more browsing data, for example, like passwords or autofill form data, then tap on Clear Browsing Data here. And here we've got some basics and advanced options. In basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you want to remove, for example, saved passwords, simply make sure that it is marked just like here. And if you're ready, tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history has been cleared immediately and successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Honor Play 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.